हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज से हम लोग एक नए प्लेलिस्ट का स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, जिस प्लेलिस्ट का नाम होगा टीएनपी टॉक्स। टीएनपी स्टैंड्स फॉर ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट। सो इस प्लेलिस्ट पे हम लोग आपको ये बताएंगे कि ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट सेशन कैसा होता है इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस में और उसका क्या प्रोसीजर रहता है। और हर वीकेंड को हम एक वीडियो रिलीज़ करेंगे टीएनपी टॉक्स प्लेलिस्ट में। आज हमारा बहुत ही स्पेशल एपिसोड है क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट एपिसोड है एंड टुडे वी हैव अमंग अस a very special friend of mine who is Rishirup Chakraborty. So everyone say hi to Rishirup. Hello Rishirup, how are you?
Hi Saleh, hi. Thank you so much for inviting me to your channel. I believe this is a great platform for the juniors to motivate themselves for the upcoming placement session. So hi everyone, myself Rishi, not the Rishi from the Himalayas. I am the Rishi from the Training and Placement Cell of NIT Agartala. And I am here on behalf of my department, that is the Electrical Engineering Department. So yeah.
So Rishirup, I must say guys, he's a very hardworking training and placement coordinator in our cell. So Rishi, I wanted to ask you, what made you join the training and placement cell? Like आपका क्या motivation रहा होगा training and placement cell में join करने से पहले?
To answer that question, Saleh, during the month of July we were selected, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
So around that time we were having our summer vacations, and I thought that I should do something for my branch. Like always, I believed that I had that man management skills specially, and I wanted to utilize it for my college, for my branch, and that is the main motivation for which I have joined the training and placement cell. And also, apart from that, I like to socialize. I like to meet a lot of new people. And throughout my session or my tenure at the placement cell, I have met a lot of stakeholders from various colleges. We have met a lot of HRs. We have interacted, and it was a fun experience. So I have really loved the journey.
So Rishi, I wanted to know who is Rishirup Chakraborty before joining training and placement cell, and who is Rishirup Chakraborty after joining training and placement cell. आप में कैसा changes आया training and placement cell join करने के बाद?
Okay, I believe I can sit 10 hours straight in front of the laptop now. So I think that is the biggest change that has happened. You would know that absolutely.
Right.
And on a serious note, there has been a lot of change. Like I have turned into a more mature person, I would say. I can handle stress, and a lot of things have changed. Like I have developed a lot of patience now about a lot of things. So yeah, it has helped me a lot. Apart from that, it also gives you a sense of responsibility. Acting as the placement coordinator, you are representing a group of 50 students. You have to see what they want, what they're doing throughout this 10-12 months. So a lot of things have changed. I have become a more responsible person, if I have to say that.
So Rishi, जैसे आपने बताया कि you have to handle a batch of 50 odd students. So students का support रहता है आपकी towards, like how are the students in you, और आपको कैसा लगता है उनका support या उनका like ये जो motivation देते हैं वो in order to like perform better?
Yes, रिलेशनशिप बहुत ही सिंपल रहता है हम लोग के बीच में. लाइक इट्स नथिंग स्पेशल, बट यस, व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट इज दैट अ बैचमेट ऑफ माइंड, ही शुड बी एबल टू कम्युनिकेट विद मी प्रॉपरली. लाइक उसको मुझे बताना चाहिए कि क्या क्या दिक्कत आ रहा है उसकी प्रिपरेशंस में. वो अगर उसकी साइड से ट्रांसपेरेंसी रखता है तो ये मेरे लिए काम आसान हो जाता है कि मैं उसको कैसे हेल्प कर पाऊँ. So this kind of transparency I think helps. And also TNP, like I have learned a lot from you, Saleh. I would be very honest. We should be very caring. We should be very caring towards our fellow batchmates. Like there are not everyone who cannot be the smartest in the group, but yeah, he needs a job, right? So we need to back him up. We need to get him to know a lot more stuff. So we need to help him from our side. So the relationship needs to be a good one, but let it be simple. Let's not put that in that way that there has to be something different. Like there shouldn't be any gaps. We should be on the same level, but we should communicate more. That is the important point here.
Right. So guys, in this regard, I wanted to tell every one of you, like जब मैं भी अपने बैच का एक ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर हूँ, तो जब मैं भी अपने लाइक बैच का TNP बना था, तब मेरे सीनियर कोऑर्डिनेटर ने यही बताया था कि लाइक यू हैव टू बी टू मच मोटिवेटिंग टूवर्ड्स योर स्टूडेंट. आपका मेन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वही रहना चाहिए कि अगर उसने क्लियर नहीं किया हो या फिर कोई इंटरव्यू उसने क्लियर नहीं किया हो, तो उसको आप, यू शुड बी द वन हु हैव टू मोटिवेट हिम और
back him.
राइट. सो ये चीज़ लाइक स्टूडेंट्स की टूवर्ड्स एक वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रखना, उन लोगों को मोटिवेटेड रखना थ्रू आउट द सेशन, क्योंकि एक स्टूडेंट जो पहला इंटरव्यू देगा या पहला टेस्ट देगा, he or she may not get selected in that particular only. So you have
Yes.
to keep him or her motivated throughout the session, ताकि वो जब तक उसका प्लेसमेंट ना हो तब तक he or she should not give up. So yes, Rishi, very good point
Yeah,
you mentioned.
absolutely.
I wanted to ask you, what are the pros and cons of this position? Being a TNP, आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम हुआ या फिर आपको क्या एडवांटेजेस हुआ इस पोजीशन से?
Okay, so let me start with the cons. Like, it gets a lot hectic, to be honest. You know how much it gets hectic at times. Like, there are no weekends for us.
Right.
In job also, there is weekends. Like, you work from Monday to Friday and Saturday, Sundays are off, but there are no weekends for a TNP. So you are always with your laptop, with your mobile. It gets hectic. Also, we have had companies who give results at 2 a.m. or maybe the HR is calling you at morning as early as 6 or 7 a.m. So sometimes you want to give up. That is a kind of a con. But the good side is that if we can handle this pressure, and go through this stress, you can imagine how much more we are developing as a person in our future wherever we go. Like, now I'd like to come to the pros. Like, this makes you a lot more patient. It gives you a lot of courage to face more stress, more problems, it gives you a more good decision making mind. And also it really improves your interpersonal skills. It makes you more confident. You meet a lot of people, you get to know a lot from them. So overall, I think the journey at the end looks very beautiful, and you can also learn a lot. You can completely change as a person. It's a very beautiful experience in that way.
ऋषि, जैसा कि आपने ये बताया था कि कॉन्स में आपने ये बताया था कि कभी कभी इट गेट्स अ बिट टू हेक्टिक फॉर यू, लाइक बहुत कभी कभी बहुत यू हैव टू रिसीव कॉल्स, यू हैव टू अटेंड समथिंग, जब आप मतलब उस चीज़ को अटेंड करने के कंडीशन में भी नहीं हो, तो कभी गिव अप करने की इच्छा हुई इस पोजीशन से?
गिव अप करने का तो बहुत बारी मन हुआ मेरा. You would know that. I don't know if I am fortunate or the unfortunate one that I have been the lead coordinator in the what's so called the holy trinity of the undergrad engineering colleges, that is TCS, Infosys, and Wipro. And you have also handled Infosys with me. You have also been there with me during Wipro and TCS. You would know how much it takes to handle a mass company or a company which takes a lot of students, right? So at that times, during those phases, it got a lot tough, like handling 500 plus students. And during the online test, you would know how many calls used to come. They are facing net issues. They are facing various login issues, and you have to solve them on a priority basis within a very minimal time frame. So it gets a lot hectic. Like, also I informed you about things like how we used to get calls at like 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. in the night or 6 a.m. in the morning. So you have to always be on your phone active. You have to be active on your laptop. You need to answer to the doubts of the students. You need to interact with the HRs. So the whole process gets monotonous, and after a time you may feel like, yeah, chalo give up kar dete hain, ab bahut ho gaya hai. But as I said, the journey at the end looks beautiful a lot. So yeah, that is it.
तो
I have survived training and placement
Right.
with you.
तो जब आपका
And
ये
others.
इच्छा हुआ होगा कि अभी नाउ लेट्स गिव अप, तो व्हाट मेड यू स्टे एज अ ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर? लाइक उस चीज़ का मोटिवेशन क्या रहा होगा आपके लिए कि आप नहीं, मेरे को नहीं, आई हैव टू स्टे एंड आई हैव टू फाइट एंड आई हैव टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल टुवर्ड्स माई स्टूडेंट्स. सो व्हाट मेड यू डू दैट?
This is definitely for the responsibility I have taken. This is definitely for my batchmates. Like, there were a lot of students who didn't get place around February, March. So, and also they deserved a job. They wanted a job, right? So to get themselves placed, to work with them, and also got motivated by friends like you and others in the placement cell, who has always backed me when I was low. So, and the vice versa, we have worked. So these are the things that, pushes you to finish the job you have taken up. Since I have taken up this responsibility, so I believe the best I can do is complete the responsibility till the end.
How is teamwork important to you, Rishi?
Teamwork is very important. I love cricket, you know that. So from cricket, I have learned about teamwork. Teamwork in placement cell is more important because all the branches we have to combine in a combination. We have to work together for a single company, right? If Wipro comes to the campus, it is taking students from all the branches. So all the coordinators need to sit together, or they need to communicate with each other about the data collection, about what probable dates we can give to the company, or what slots or tire we should give to the company. We'll come to that, I know, in the later part. Students might not know about the slots. So a lot of discussions are involved. So teamwork is very important. Also, at the same time, whenever someone, as I said, I felt low at a lot of point of times. You also might have gone through the same. So at that time, teammates comes and backs you up like, चलो अभी हम कर लेते, तुम थोड़ा रेस्ट कर लो इस टाइम पे. So that thing, that balance, that understanding, that is very helpful. And also you should, I think, learn a lot from each other. Like from you, if I have to be specific, I have learned to be actually efficient, in your work, to be hardworking, to be actually be there for the students till then. These are the things I have learned from you. So we should all, learn from each other, and that is how we can develop in a team.
That's my pleasure, Rishi. That's my pleasure. I have also learned a lot from Rishirup, guys. Like, he's a perfectionist in his job. Whatever he does, he leaves no stone unturned from his side to finish it, like a very good thing. And Rishi,
Thanks, Ale.
you like as you mentioned कि जो टायर या फिर कैटेगरी डिसीजन होता है कंपनी का, तो कंपनी का टायर एलोकेशन या कैटेगरी एलोकेशन कैसा होता है, एंड व्हाट डज दिस मीन? लाइक दिस शुड बी अ न्यू थिंग टू आवर जूनियर्स जिनका प्लेसमेंट स्टार्ट होने वाला है. सो इफ यू कैन एक्सप्लेन अस अबाउट दैट थिंग.
Okay, so the juniors will not know about the tier system. So in NIT Agartala, not only in NIT Agartala, in all the colleges, there are tiers given to the companies. In NIT, the tier system we have is that we have normal and we have super dream. So in normal, there are two slots. Like if you get a package below 4.5 LPA, and if you get a package above 4.5 LPA, and then you have the super dream slot. So what happens is that if you get placed in a company which is in super dream slot, then your placement session is over then and there. Your finalized offer. And if you get placed in a normal company, in a normal tier company, so you also get an opportunity to appear only for the super dream slot companies. In normal companies also, if you get placed below 4.5 LPA, then you can sit in the companies above 4.5 LPA. And if you get placed in companies above 4.5 LPA, then you can only appear for the super dream ones. So that is how the tier system works around here in NIT Agartala. It's a bit complex, but I believe within 15 to 30 days after your recruitment session begins, you all will be clear about that.
गाइस, अगर आप लोगों को लाइक टायर एलोकेशन या कैटेगरी एलोकेशन के लिए कोई भी क्वेश्चन होगा तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स पे ये ज़रूर बताइएगा हमको. वी विल क्लियर दैट आउट. ओके, होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. सो ऋषि, आई वांटेड टू आस्क यू, लाइक हमारे बैच से, लाइक फ्रॉम द बैच ऑफ 2021 वर्चुअल रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस है स्टार्टेड. पहले हम क्या देखते थे कि जो हमारे सीनियर कोऑर्डिनेटर्स हैं वो कंपनीज कॉलेज में आती थी. सीनियर कोऑर्डिनेटर्स लोग कॉलेज में या फिर प्लेसमेंट सेल सीसीडी में बैठ के उन लोगों को हैंडल किया करते थे. उन लोगों के लिए गेस्ट हाउस होता था, कंपनीज के रिक्रूटर्स वहाँ आके रहते थे. तो हाउ इज दिस लाइक फिजिकल ड्राइव डिफरेंट फ्रॉम वर्चुअल ड्राइव? वर्चुअल रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस का क्या मतलब प्रोसेस है और हाउ इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द फिजिकल वन?
Okay, so Sally would know this is a lot different. Like suddenly moving from the physical drives to the online drives, it was quite tough because in the physical drive, you see a lot of things can be done spontaneously. Like when the HR visits your campus, you can always, communicate with them more properly. You may know stuffs in a better way. There can be more clarity about things. And the students, I believe, are more informed because as you can know that among 500 to 600 pool of students, everyone is not good communicating with the mobile phones.
Right.
So in classroom, in front, face-to-face, one-to-one, maybe they get a better understanding. So that is in physical drive. But in online drive, we have faced a lot of problems like net issue is a very big one, internet issue. During the online test, many people used to complain about not getting proper connectivity. So my suggestion to the juniors would be, since there is a huge chance that the next recruitment session too will be online. Please fix your internet connection problems and whatever it is. During the test, you don't want to miss out on that aspect. And also in interviews, there is a small difference that is created. Like in before, what we do normally when you see a person, we judge them on two bases, like your looks and how you speak. So when it comes to the online part, what happens is how you look goes away. It's just how you speak. And sometimes even during net issues, you might not be audible that well. So factors have changed. You'll get a small window to portray yourself in whatever way you can. So please prepare for that aspect. I would suggest you guys to give interviews to your friends in Zoom or Google Meet or links, whatever you feel comfortable with. Please get accustomed to this new culture that we are trying to incorporate, because of the corona situation.
Right. So guys, it's very unfortunate that we are going through this global pandemic, but actually we have to adjust. Adjustment से हमको सब कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. So we just hope that this global pandemic ends and our college reopens ताकि हम physically companies को college पे बुला सके. लेकिन if this does not happen, we have to get accustomed, we have to get adjusted to this system, right? So Rishi, I wanted to ask you how do you call the companies and convince them for recruitment? और अगर company ना मानती है तो is it a kind of rejection for you? How do you handle that rejection? And if it's a yes from the company, then how do you take it forward? Like आपका क्या process रहता है उस company को handle करने के लिए या उसकी recruitment drive को college में like virtually कराने के लिए?
Okay, so it takes a lot to convince a company. Firstly, बहुत मेहनत लगता है हम लोगों को, especially IT companies को, क्योंकि core companies का हमें पता है कि ठीक है चलो specific रहता है, like हमें इलेक्ट्रिकल चाहिए, मैकेनिकल चाहिए, कंपनी की बेसिस पे वो पता चल जाता है, ठीक है, वो थोड़ा बहुत हो जाता है मैनेज. बट आईटी कंपनी का क्या होता है कि दे ओनली वांट सर्किटल पिप्स, राइट? दे ओनली वांट ईसी एंड CSE and sometimes only CSE and EC. That's more dangerous. So it takes a lot of convincing. So we have to convince them on the basis of historical data. Like पिछले बार that girl was placed in that company. This year Accenture took that girl from civil. Or we have to place kind of those statistics in front of the company. It takes a lot of convincing from our side, from the faculty side of our placement cell. So after that, if they don't agree, then yes, it's a rejection. It's a big rejection because you have taken this this work to help the students, and at the end, if you can't reach out to all the students, so that's kind of a rejection. But yes, we keep on trying till the end. And if the company says yes, that's a big add-on because they actually get a more better pool of students. A lot of guys in IT, they're interested in IT right from even civil, mechanical, and all the other core branches. So this way it helps the student. It's a big plus if we can convince the company for more added benefits and etc.
So कितना टाइम मिलता है स्टूडेंट्स को कंपनी के लिए प्रिपेयर करने के लिए?
I believe approx 7 to 10 days मिलता होगा, Salih, if I'm not wrong. 7 to 10 days तो लगी एक कंपनी.
Like जब आपने कंपनी ने जब रिप्लाई किया आपकी इनविटेशन को या जब आपने वो अपॉर्चुनिटी शेयर किया, उससे 7-10 अंदर हो जाता होगा ड्राइव.
हाँ, प्लेसमेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर्स को तो हमको तो पता चल जाता है, ठीक है, कंपनीज कितने लाइंड अप है या फिर कब आने वाला है, वो थोड़ा बहुत हमको पता चल जाता है. बट जो हम नोटिफिकेशंस डालते हैं, लाइक आफ्टर द नोटिफिकेशंस वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट द होल ड्राइव टू बी कंप्लीटेड विद इन द नेक्स्ट 7 to 10 days टाइम फ्रेम. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट द स्टूडेंट्स कि जब भी कोई नोटिफिकेशन आ रहा है तब से तुम उसका इंटरव्यू के लिए पढ़ना चालू कर दो, क्योंकि तब से भी like within 4 days the interview can be scheduled, the next day when the interview can be scheduled in worst case scenarios, because these companies many companies demand in different ways, right? So whenever you get a notification, I would suggest you please start preparing for the interviews of that company and get to know that company well.
Yeah, notification से याद आया ऋषि, so I wanted to ask like कॉलेज से कॉलेज प्लेसमेंट सेल तक या कॉलेज प्लेसमेंट सेल से स्टूडेंट तक वो नोटिफिकेशंस कैसे पहुंचते हैं, या फिर आप लोग कैसे उसको सर्कुलेट करते हो या स्टूडेंट्स को बताते हो कि येस देयर इज अ कंपनी कमिंग एंड यू हैव टू पार्टिसिपेट इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड एंड you have to start preparing for it?
Okay, so what happens is first when we invite the company and they accept our invitation, So then we get to know from the company about what are the requirements they are coming with, what are the branches that are eligible, if there is any bond, what tire we are allocating to that company, right? The place of posting and etc. This whole lot of things. We form that in a kind of a message and circulate in WhatsApp groups that we have to our batchmates. So what happens is that whenever we give that notification, we try to make sure that we also can give them a tentative date of hiring, which in many cases might not be possible, because on day one you cannot fix when they are going to hire because of this virtual situation. There is no
Right.
proper fix. So we can help them by giving with a tentative date to work on, so they can take informations from that. We sometimes we also attach the job description if given by the company, and if not given, so I would request the next set of placement coordinators to actually try to help the students with the job description, the job role, because knowing about the company you are applying to is very important, and the role, because these kind of questions are asked in the interview. If you don't know about what you are applying to, then that's very sad.
राइट सो ऋषि, जैसा आपको पता है कि बैच 2021 अब ऑलमोस्ट लाइक द प्लेसमेंट सेशन फॉर बैच 2021 इज ऑलमोस्ट ओवर राइट नाउ. हम एक ऐसे फेज पे आ चुके हैं जहाँ रिटायरमेंट वाइब्स आ रहा है अपने आप को. तो
हाँ,
नेक्स्ट फ्यू मंथ
हो चुके हैं
रिटायर ऑलमोस्ट हो ही चुके हैं एक्चुअली. तो नेक्स्ट 1-2 महीने में द बैच 22 TNPs विल बी सिलेक्टेड. सो बैच 2022 की जो TNP कोऑर्डिनेटर्स होंगे, उनके लिए आपका क्या सजेशन होगा? व्हाट शुड बी योर एडवाइस फॉर देम?
ओके, जो जूनियर्स अभी नेक्स्ट TNP बनने वाले हैं, उनको मेरा एक ही सजेशन रहेगा कि बी केयरिंग. यू शुड बी मोर केयरिंग, बिकॉज यू हैव टेकन दिस जॉब through your will, and you should be caring about your students. You should resort to the problems they are facing. You should talk to them. You should talk to what they want. You should know if someone wants an IT company or a core company, or they might be in the mix, like ठीक है चलो किसी पे भी चले जाएंगे. We are trying to, we should give them a clarity. We should talk to them and know what they want. That is the first thing that I would like to tell them. And secondly, I should obviously inform them that this is the time, the May-June time, when most of the companies, they finalize the list of colleges they are going to visit. So it is the the hot period where you can contact more number of companies, get in touch with the HR teams, and at least have a word with them, like to consider NIT Agartala. Like, let them have in their mind, yes, there is a college NIT Agartala, we should visit that. So please work on that. This May and June is very crucial for you, and that is it. And also one thing I would like to suggest them is about the off-campus opportunities. Like in groups, we generally float all the informations regarding the on-campus one. But since a coordinator is more into knowing what companies are hiring apart from the on-campus opportunities, it is important for him to bring those off-campus opportunities also for the students of our college. So that way it might be more helpful for them.
ऋषि,
And that is
अपॉर्चुनिटीज में लिंक्डइन का क्या रोल रहता है? लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल के थ्रू ऑफ कैंपस अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलना इज क्वाइट मोर फिजिबल, राइट? सो
yes, LinkedIn बहुत important है, like बहुत ही important है. When I started my tenure as the TNP, I was having like 3 or 4 connections, and now I have a lot. So I have developed how to use LinkedIn through your help, through others' help. LinkedIn is very useful because whenever you open the LinkedIn, always there is some requirement of job coming around from people. You can always apply. You can always get to meet a lot of people who are like, if someone is placed in L&T, right? You aren't placed in L&T. So your juniors, all of them might not be able to reach you out. Like, Saleh, how did you get placed in L&T? So there are a lot of students who might not be able to reach you out. So for them, the best way is that go to LinkedIn, connect with someone placed in L&T, talk to them, know more about them. So I believe this is a very important platform, LinkedIn, and we all should use it. And also the next batch of TNPs, I think they should start working on it from now. Build more connections, have more opportunities coming in your way for your students. This way it will be very helpful. Also for the students, you should also be active on LinkedIn, and there you'll get a lot of opportunities about off campus. So Yeah.
Right. So finally, Rishi, I wanted to ask, like, we have to wrap it up now, and
Yeah.
before leaving, a final advice to our students जो अभी थर्ड ईयर में है currently and जिनका प्लेसमेंट सेशन 2-1 महीने में स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, उनके लिए कोई एडवाइस?
ओके सो जो अभी थर्ड ईयर में है उन लोगों को मैं बस यही बोलना चाहूंगा कि दिस इज द टाइम, मई जून जुलाई, दिस इज द टाइम व्हेन यू प्रिपेयर, एक्चुअली प्रिपेयर, एंड आफ्टर दैट इट्स जस्ट द प्रोसेस. कंपनीज कीप कमिंग वन बाय वन. Just apply. If rejected, try for the next one. So this is the next 2 or 3 months where you prepare. You should be having a very good CV. That is what we always advise to everyone. Should having a very good CV. There should be a project involved. Please try to do a project of anything you like, whatever field you are interested in. Get into an internship if possible, or even a training will work. So have a good CV, take advices from your seniors on how to build a good CV. This is very important. And also, as I told earlier, please know about the company you are applying to. This is very important. Please see the job role they are offering you. What is the work of the company? These are some things that you should know in an interview that is asked to you. Also, I would tell you, like many students are almost sure that you will go in core or IT. That is sorted for you. But for those, it is not sorted. Like you want to go to IT or a core, you are in the middle. I would like to tell you this is absolutely okay to feel that way. The best advice that I can give you at this point of time is keep studying your branch related subjects. Parallelly, you also can do whatever stuff is required for an IT company, like learning a language or doing SQL, DBMS, etc. Please work parallelly and don't take a lot of stress, because the kind of questions asked in the interview are very basic. They actually check if you know a little bit about the concept you have wrote in your CV, or they're checking your honesty basically. So these are the advices I would like to give. And also, please don't be rude with your TNP. They are working day in and day out for your benefit. Please don't be rude to them. Communicate with them properly, and I wish you a very happy placement season.
Thank you, Rishi. Thanks a lot. It was an awesome having you in this, channel. It was an awesome thing for me. And guys,
Thank you.
निश्चित रूप से, या फिर आप लोगों को कोई भी किसी को भी कुछ भी अगर पूछना होगा ऋषि रूप से, so please comment below and I will forward it to him and I will get answers from him आप लोगों के लिए. So thanks a lot ऋषि, thanks a lot. हमारी चैनल में Thank you Saleh so much again for inviting me. And one piece of advice to the juniors, if you are getting an advice from Saleh Ahmed, please write it down in your copybook, because that is going to come handy. I myself am experienced. Please, if Saleh is giving you an advice, please take it seriously. He is very good at judging a person and giving appropriate advices. This will be very helpful to you. Please look up to his channel. He's doing a great job, I believe. And yes, again, happy placement session to all of my juniors. Thanks a lot.
Get in touch.
Thanks a lot. Yeah, we will wrap it up.
Thank you.
Bye. सो गाइस, जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को ये प्रॉमिस किया था कि दिस चैनल इज़ नॉट ओनली गोइंग टू बी अबाउट लेक्चर्स एंड ऑल. इस चैनल में हम लोग प्लेसमेंट रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज़, प्लेसमेंट सेल में हम लोग कैसे काम करते हैं, या इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस में प्लेसमेंट्स का क्या प्रोसीजर रहता है, ये सब चीज़ें डिस्कस करेंगे. सो इन सब चीज़ों को डिस्कस करने के लिए ही आज मैंने जो TNP टॉक वाला प्लेलिस्ट है ये ओपन किया है. TNP टॉक सीरीज़ का एपिसोड 1 आशा करता हूँ आप सब लोगों को पसंद आया होगा. ऋषि रूप आप सब लोगों को आशा करता हूँ कि पसंद आया होगा. ऋषि रूप इज़ अ वेरी गुड गाइड. जो नॉलेज और एक्सपीरियंस ऋषि रूप ने शेयर किया है, आई होप दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी यूजफुल फॉर यू ऑल जब आप फाइनली ईयर में होंगे, या फिर जब आप लोगों का प्लेसमेंट सेशन स्टार्ट होगा. सो मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में. हर संडे इवनिंग को एक एपिसोड आएगा TNP टॉक जो सीरीज़ है उसका. सो कीप सब्सक्राइबिंग एंड कीप शेयरिंग दिस वीडियोज़ ऑफ आवर चैनल. अगले संडे में किसी और TNP कोऑर्डिनेटर से हम बात करेंगे. He or she can be from our college or from any other NIT. So stay tuned and wait for the next video.